Welcome to Roni Tuitions. Maths has fun. Today we taken a one maths ninth standard Heron's formula. So first we have to learn what is the Heron's formula, where it is used. So first of all we know that to find the area, to find the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into half into base, 1 by 2 into h into base, means height into base. Height, it if given the height, base anyone, because of it is a triangle, right angle triangle. In that, here is the right angle A B C, and this is the height, this is the base, this is the hypotenuse. So we know that to find this area of this one, half into base into height we can do. Half into base into height we can do it. But if the triangle given that is not have the height, then first we have to find the height by the Pythagoras theorem. Then we have to use it. It will take a longer time. So Heron's, it is a mathematician. He propelled a one formula that is called the Heron's formula. It is used for the finding the area of a triangle whose all three sides are given. A, B, C, and it is a isosceles triangle or isosceles triangle. If it is suppose that all are the different sides are given, it is size A, it is B, and it is side C. It is A centimeter, it is B centimeter, it is C centimeter. To find the area of like this triangle, we use the Heron's formula. Then what is the Heron's formula and how it used? So Heron's formula means first of all we have to find the perimeter of the triangle. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter means starting from any point and making a round around it. That is called the perimeter. So perimeter of this triangle is what? Perimeter of triangle is equal to what? Side A plus side B plus side C by 2. This is the semi-perimeter, or perimeter of a triangle is the all three sides we are adding in that. All sides are adding. But in this way, for finding that is called the S. So S is equal to what? Side A plus side B plus side C divided by the 2. This is called the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter of a triangle that we have to write in that. That is, so S is equal to what? A, B, C. Side, measurement of side A, measurement of side B, measurement of side C by 2. This is called the S. Now formula is what? Root S. S means the semi-perimeter of a triangle into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the total. A side, B side, C side, and S is equal to, that is the semi-perimeter of that. Perimeter of a triangle is side A plus side B plus side C. If we divide in the two, that divide, then it will become the semi-perimeter of that one, and that is used for the, that is called the S in that. Let's taking the some questions from the exercise to learn it far better. Now we are taking the questions from the exercise, and the first question in that, it is saying that a traffic signal board indicating a school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Which triangle? Equilateral. A triangle in which all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Equilateral triangle means equi means equal. Lateral means side. Lateral means side. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. That is called the all sides are equal. That is called the equilateral triangle. That is called the equilateral triangle. With sides of which side A, side given A, find the area of the signboard using Heron's formula. First one. Let's suppose that this is our one triangle. This is ABC is a triangle. In that AB side is A centimeter, BC also A centimeter, and CA also A centimeter. We have to find the area of a triangle by using the Heron's formula. So first of all we have to find the S. S means what? Side AB plus side BC plus side AC, means A plus A by 2. That is the S in the Heron's formula. Side AB plus BC plus CA. AB how much? A. BC how much? A. And AC how much? A. So all three added and semi parameter of this one. So this is become the 3a by 2. A plus a by 2 means 3a by 2. We can write it like this. Now we are writing the Heron's formula. What is the Heron formula? Root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So now we are keeping the values. S is equal to what given? We got the 3a by 2 into s is equal to what? 3a by 2 minus a only the side a, first side a only, plus into s is equal to what? 3a by 2 minus a, then this one what? 3a by 2 minus a, that all three, because of s is equal to 3a by 2. We written it now we are writing in that way. Root again this as it is 3a by 2, this we can write in that way 3a by 2 minus a, taken the LCM 2. So this is 3a minus 2 into a, 2a by 2 is equal to what? 3a minus 2a is equal to a by 2. So we can write a by 2. Again this also will be the same, a by 2. This also will be same, a by 2. Now we are writing in the taking the root. So this root, for taking the root we are making the pair of the twos. So in that what will come outside? This 2 also will come, this 2 also will come. So 2 came outside, 2 to 4, 2 into 2. Upside what will come? This is the 3a, in that one pair is there here. This is a one pair and here also one pair. Okay, and this is separate remaining. So root 3 and in that a one pair is here, one pair is here. So it is remaining a into a. So what we got? Root 3 by 2 to the 4 and a square. This is the answer for this question. Now it is asking the another question in that only. If its parameter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So area, it is given the parameter p is equal to how much given? P is equal to given 180 centimeter. Now s is equal to what? S is equal to, we know that p by 2, because of s is equal to a plus a means all sides ab plus bc plus ca by 2 means p by 2. S is equal to p by 2 means what will become? 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90 centimeter. That we got. Now we have to find the sides. All sides are equal. Now what? In that s is equal to p by 2. P given 180 by 2. 180 by 2 is equal to 90. Yes, we got. Now we have to find the what is the a in that. So a, p is equal to what in equilateral triangle? In equilateral p is equal to 3a. Equilateral triangle. Then it is comes. Equilateral triangle. So we can write p is equal to 180. 3a is equal to 180 and a is equal to what? 180 divided by the 3 is equal to 60 centimeter. Now we are keeping again into the Heron's formula and we are finding the answer for this one. Let me keeping here only. So s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c and total root. What is s? Yes, we got the 90. So root 90 into 90 minus 60 centimeter a, first side, then 90 minus 60, then 90 minus 60 c also value, that also. Now this we can write in this way. 90 into 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 into this also 30 and this also 30. Now we can write 90 like this, 3 into 30 into this 30 into this 30 and this 30. Why I made the separate? To make the taking the pair of making the pair. This is one pair, this is one pair. So 30 we taken the outside this one, 30 we taken outside this one, remaining inside what? Root 3. Then 30 900. So what is the answer? 900 root 3 centimeter square is the answer of the given this signal board. I hope you are understanding. Please like the video, share the video and comment also for that making the improvements of these things. Now we are going to take the second question. Now question number 2, it is given that the triangular side wall of a flyover has been used for advertisement. Which type? Triangular shape it is. The sides of the walls are, means it is A side. Side A is equal to 122 meter. B side given that, B given 22 meter, and C given that 120 meter. The advertisement yelled an earning of Rs 5,000 rupees meter per meter square. 5,000 rupees per meter square means we have to find the area per year. 1 year 5,000 rupees. 1 year for a 1 meter square purpose. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. It is for a 1 year, but it is hired only for 3 months. How much rent did it pay in 3 months? So this is for 1 year. So it is, we are writing rent for per meter square for 3 months. What will become? It will become the 5,000 divided by the 1 year is equal to 12 month. So we can write it like this. In this way only writing, because of next it will become the cancellation also. Otherwise we have to cancel by the 4. 4 3s are 12. This we are cancelling by the 4. 4 12s are 48. Then 4 5s are 20. Or then 0. This much means what we'll got? 1,250 by 3 rupees per meter square for a 1 month, for the 1 month. Now for 3 months it will be the 1,250 divided by 3 into 3. Then it will become the this 1,250 rupees per month. Rupees per month it will become. Per month it will become. Now we have to find the area of that one. Area of the triangular shape. So area of triangular shape. Area of triangular that is side walls or walls is what? First we have to find the S. S is equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2, semi parameter of this one. Means what? 1 by 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by the 2 is equal to how much? This will become the 20 plus 22, 42 plus 2 is equal to 44 plus 20, 64. So 264 divided by 2. So it will become 132 centimeter it become. Now we are finding the S. We A also B also C we know. We are writing the Heron's formula. S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C, total root of this one. So what? S is equal to, we got 132 into 132 minus 122, then 132 minus 22 for second side, then 132 minus third side, that is the 120, and the total root of this one. Now we are solving it. So we done the total root 132 as it is into 132 minus 22 is equal to 10. 10 into 132 minus 22 is equal to 110 into 132 minus 120 is equal to 12. Now we have to multiply and we have to take root. Otherwise the shortcut we are going, then we can write it like this. We can write it 12 into 11. 132 we can write 12 into 11 into 10 into 11 into 10. 110 we can write into 12. Now we are making the pairs. 112, 112. One pair came. So means 12 outside taken. 10 is here. Means 110 also be taken. 111 means 11 also taken. Means what we got? We got this much. That will got the meter square we got the meter square in that we got. Now we are going to find out, this is the area of the triangular things. Now how much rent it have to be given for that one? 1 meter is equal to, that means giving the 1 meter purpose the 1,250 rupees for that much purpose. Now the total rent paid by the total rent how it will pay means 1320 into 1250. We are multiplying it, then we are finding it the answer of this one. Where this is the 1 month 1 meter square purpose, that is the rent first it was given in that. Now we are multiplying. Let's multiplying in that. So 00 came. 10 this, 10 this one. Now by the 5 I am doing it. 5 2s are 10. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry 16, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. Now we taken the another one, by the 12 we'll do it. We multiplied it and we found that 2 0 is there, 1 0 this one, so we got 165 and 2 0 and this 2 0. So this much rupees it will come on that. So for the 3-month purpose, this much answer of that. Now we are going to take the third question, question number 3. In that what written the question number 3 that we are learning here. Please like the video, share the video for your friends to help them out also. Next one, question number 3, what say? There is a slide in a park. In park is there, in there a slide is there which the children are from upside to downside. It is like that. It is like this and it is like the sliding here. Here the slides here. On that up to the ground. This is ground. It will become a triangle type only. Triangle type it is. Like this. Then one of its side wall has been painted. It is painted, the side walls are there, this is painted, it is by any color, in some color with message keep here written, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are, means A side A is equal to 15 meter, B is equal to 11 meter and C is equal to, it is 6 meter. Find the area of the painted wall in colors, color painted na, you have to find this. So this is will become a one triangle, so we are going to find that. So first we are finding the yes is equal to what? A plus B plus C, side 1, first side, second side, third side, divide by the 2. So what we got? Yes is equal to, we got 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2 is equal to, yes is equal to what? 15 plus 6 11 is equal to 26, 26 plus 6 is equal to 32, 32 by 2 is equal to what? 16, 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Yes, we got the 16. Now we are finding the area of this one. So area we are writing the Heron's formula, root S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, that we written. Now S value we know, S value is 16, 16. So 16 minus A means 15 first side into 16 minus second side is the 11 and S means 16 minus C side is how much given? 6, that we done. Now we are writing again 16 as it is. 16 minus 15 is equal to 1, 16 minus 11 is equal to 5 and 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. So we can write in this way. This also again 16 means 16 only writing, let the root it will come. Okay, otherwise 4 into 4 can write, 4 into 4, 5 as it is, 10 we can write 5 into 2. So this one pair we are taking the 4 into 5 outside and what remaining inside? 2. So 4 5s are 20, 20 root 2 and that is all are given meter. So meter square, this is the area of the slide, Now we are taking the question number 4 for this question. This is the exercise. And question number 4 given that find the area of a triangle, two sides of the which are this and parameter is 42. So third side not given. A given here, A is equal to given the 18 centimeter, B given the 10 centimeter and parameter P given the 42 centimeter. Now we know the parameter of a triangle is what? First side AB plus BC plus CA, otherwise we can write A plus B plus C. This is the parameter. How much given parameter? A plus B plus C is equal to given 42 given, it is already given 42 parameter. A how much we read? 10, B how much? 10, C don't know, so C is equal to C only, is equal to 42. Then 10 plus 18 plus 10 is equal to 28, 28 plus C is equal to 42. Then C is equal to what? 42 minus 28. Then C is equal to what? C is equal to, remaining here 14, remaining the 14 centimeter. So we got the C also. Now we have to find out, it is find out, otherwise directly you can write the half of that also. Then we writing yes is equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2. So what is A? A we know the 18, B we know the 10 and C we found the 14. divide by the 2, divide by the 2. So what we got, it is 42. Already you know 42 it is. So 42 by 2 is equal to 21 centimeter. Yes, we got the 21 centimeter. Now we are finding that area of this one. So we have to write the formula of the Heron's formula. So what is the Heron's formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then yes, what we got? Yes, 21. 21 into 21 minus A. What is side A? 18. Yeah, 21 minus what is the side B? B is the 10. Then 21 minus C. C we got the 14. C we got the 14 side. That much centimeter square. Then area of this one, 21 as it is written, into 21 minus 18 is equal to 3. Then 21 minus 10. 21 minus 10 is equal to 11. Is equal to 11. Into 21 minus 14 is equal to 7. Now this we got. Now we can write this one 21, we can write 3 into 7 into this 3 into 11 into this 7 and root. So this and this as the pair outside taken into this and this as the pair outside taken. What remaining inside? 11 remaining inside. 3 7s are 21. So 21 root 11, or it is all are given in centimeter. So centimeter square, that is the answer of that. I know you are understanding. Please like the video, share the video to your friends to help them out. Let's taking the another question for this exercise only. So another question for this exercise is, sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its parameter is 540 centimeter. Find that. So first given the ratio of sides. Ratio of sides are given that 12 is to 17 is to 25. Let the ratio in the x form. Let the ratio in x form. X form means we are taking the x, simply rating the x. No changes will happen. If we multiply any number, both side by a same number, no changes it comes. So 12x is to 17x is to 25x. I written x behalf of that. Now what is parameter? P given. P is equal to 540 centimeter. Already it is given. So we have to find the sides of that one. We know P is equal to what? P is equal to A plus B plus C. And P we know this is given in the ratio. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. Now this we are adding, then it will come the 54x. 25 plus 17 is equal to 42. 42 plus 12 is equal to 54. X is equal to what? 540. Then x is equal to, we can write 540 divided by the 54 and we cancel it, then 10. Means x value we got the 10. X value we got the 10. Now we are keeping that. The first side, A is equal to what? 12 into 10 is equal to 120 centimeter. 120 centimeter. B side what will become? 17 into 10 is equal to 170 centimeter. C side we got that. C side we got the 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeter. Now we are finding the yes. Yes means what? A plus B plus C, semi parameter of this one by 2. So what is the semi parameter? Yes is equal to what we got? These are the 540. Divide by 2 is equal to what? In that if we are dividing it, it will come the 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja and 270 ja 2 5 ja 270 centimeter the yes came. Now we are writing the Heron's formula. And what is that Heron's formula? Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C and total root of this one. Let's put the value in that. So yes, we got already 270. 270 into 270 minus A. A side is the 120. 270 minus B. B side we got 170. Then 270 minus C side we got the 250. And total root on that one. Now we are writing as it is in them. So we written 270 into 270 minus 120 is equal to 150. 150 centimeter in that into 270 minus 170 is equal to 100 into 270 minus 250 is equal to 20. Now we are breaking down into the some pairs in that. So this already we know this is a perfect root number. This we break, this will break. Okay, so this number we are breaking into the like this. We can write it like this: 3 into 9 into 10. This we can write 3 into 5 into 10. This we can write 10 into 10, 100 into, we can write 2 into 10. We can write. Now we are finding the pair in that. So first 3 is there, here is there, here is there. 1, 3 outside came. Now this 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means we are writing 4. 4 means half of that one. 4 half of that means it will come 2 times. 10 into 10. 10 into 10 we written. Now again we are finding in that. 9 is there na, in that also with the root of the 9 is equal to 3. Now this 10 and this 5 remaining. 5 and 2. This 5 is there, 2 is there. 5 2s are 10. Add 1 10. So another 10 also came outside. So what is that? It will become root cancelled up. Total nothing is remaining inside. So if we know that 3 3s are 9. 9. 1 2 3 0. 1 2 3 0. That much centimeter square is the answer of this question. Now the area of the triangles in that ratio it is given 12 is to 17 is to 25 is that 9000 centimeter square. Next taking the last question of this exercise, that is the sixth question, and it is saying that an isosceles triangle has parameter 30 centimeter, p given, p is equal to 30 centimeter it is given, and that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? The two sides are equal, and each of the equal side means that is the triangle. Suppose that this is a triangle, in that ABC is a triangle, AB is equal to AC we found. Suppose that in that this is a 12, so this also will be 12. So 12 centimeter, and find the area of a triangle. So two sides are given. One side AB. So first parameter, how much given? Parameter is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. So AB how much? We know 12 centimeter. BC how much? Don't know once. Okay, so BC only. BC plus CA how much? 12 is equal to how much given? 30 centimeter. Then we know BC plus 12 plus 12, 24. 24 is equal to 30 centimeter. Then BC is equal to what? 30 minus 24. Then BC is equal to what? 6 centimeter. So we got the A. A is the 12. B is the 6. C is the 12. These are centimeter we got. And P already given the 30. Now we have to find the S in that. So S is equal to what? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A how much? 12. B how much? 6. Plus C how much? 12 by 2. Already you know this is 30 given. So 30 by 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this one. So we have to write the Heron's formula. Heron's formula is what? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We know S is equal to how much we got? 15. 15 into 15 minus A. A is the 12. Into 15 minus B. B is equal to what? 6. S is equal to 15. So 15 minus C is equal to 12. That we know. So we have written 15 into 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Into 12. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. And this total root. Now this one pair, this also 9 means root of 9 is equal to 3. So 3 into 3, then 15, root 15. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 root 15 centimeter square is the answer of this one, the question of that. So it is become the complete the exercise. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel if you are the newly visited on the channel, and thank you.